I have briefly explained in previous video about the reward. So reinforcement learning works on the basis of reward. Optimize the reward is the main task or objective of the reinforcement learning. Next, we have to deal with the linear regression. If for x, y is continuous, it is called regression problem. Mean the value is continuously provided. For example, we can see the size and price of some shops. The line is continuous data. Whenever you are given some size, it has some price, some size, it's some price with some size with some price. So data is continuous. When the data is continuous, that is regression problem. Supervised learning regression problem is under the linear regression. So there is an example. Size of shop in feet square is given. There is a plaza in your city. It has different size of shops. Now the price or cost you're going to provide in dollars. So if the area or size of the shop is 1500 feet square, then the price is, for example, 500 of the dollars, 500 thousands of the dollars. It is costly in some cities like the capital, for example. So just concentrate on the data. So if the size is 890 feet square, the price or cost is 340, and if the size is 1250, then the cost is 430. If the size is 500, the cost is 210. Now in usually in regression data, there is a straight line being provided. So now what we have to do, or what is the step by step? That data which is given to learning algorithm, which is given to some algorithm which is being provided, that data is called training data. So training data is the input of some learning algorithm, and in output, what prediction of the task if you want to get. For example, if the size is being provided here as 700, now we want to find the cost or price of the shop. So that x is being provided and we want to find the price. Now the same example can be explained. Size of shop, that 700 is being provided. H for hypothesis. We get some hypothesis and the estimated cost. For example, I told you 700 feet square. Now its estimated cost or price we can get from here. So that hypothesis is very important in learning algorithms. Now how to represent hypothesis with small h or capital H? What you want now I am providing with small. So hx is equal to phi naught plus phi 1x. You can get theta 1 plus theta naught plus theta 1x. That is a fine function which is usually called by the mathematicians. If number of features are just one, for example, mean the area or is provided in feet square. If the number of features are increased, now what it will do about the prediction? It is the next level problem. So here for the linear regression, we see that x and y training data is provided. It is given to some algorithm. Output we get prediction of that shop, prediction of price of the shop. So from where we get some hypothesis. Now size of the shop is provided as input and estimated cost we get as output. So next we get lecture for the next topics. So thank you for it.